Hello everyone. It took me some time to record this video because I am a teacher. I became busy being a teacher. And we're in the middle of transition right now. I'm here in a few days. As of recording this video, I'll be there. My wife is already there. But I read comments and I'm on it. So Faith, don't cry. By the way, make sure to watch the entire video because I'm giving tips on how I played it. And if this is helpful, subscribe now and be part of the conversation. Let's do this. There are two parts of bridge that I will teach you today, and it's all my own arrangement. I put it right here, the original video, and somewhere on the description below, okay? What we're having is this. I'll never know how much it cost. So what we have there is B, 2 bits, E minor, 2 bits, and C, 4 bits. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next part, the second part goes like, call upon the name of the Lord and be saved. What we have there is call upon the name of 4 bits, and then 4 bits also, and B, C, save 2, 3, 4, and then one more. So it's like there's like 8 bits for C, like 2 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as far as the beat or the tempo is concerned, the measurement is concerned, that's how it goes. Now let's go to the instrumental, or how it's done, or how I did it. Okay, somehow I still remember, but let's see. Okay, so here goes the first part. Second part. And 1, 2, 3 again. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's when I put the fillers in. The fillers are the extra notes that you saw there on that original video. It goes like that, or so there's just a lot of fillers in there, but we're not going to the details of the fillers because you might need some advanced knowledge on the scale before you can do that. You can just insert some basic fillers like the slide, and that's what I'm giving you right now. Okay, the thing is, when I did that song, I don't really memorize how I did it, how it's done. Okay, but okay, so let's move forward to the first part of the bridge. That's the I'll never know how much it goes. It goes like this. So we start on B, right? We're having B, and then from D we hammer from 0 to 2 of A string. So if I mention number, you just need to know that I'm talking about the fret number, okay? Fret number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If I mention the string, and sometimes I'm not mentioning the strings, but I'm mentioning the number. So if I go like, we have D, so we go 0 to 2 of A string, okay? Right, so 0, hammer to 2, and then 2 and 0 of this string, 2 and 0, and then 2, 2. Again, let me do it again. Alright, 0, hammer 2 and 0 of this string, and then 2, 2, and then back to 0 before you go to E minor. So here how it's done. Okay, so that's E minor. So again, 0, 2, hammer, and then 2, 2, 0, E minor, and then 3, 4. Then we have here 5 before you go to C. Then from 5 we go to 3. So again, from the top we have your D, hammer, 2 and 0, 2, 2, 0, E minor. Then you're pressing for E minor, you're having here 4 and 2 right after this, and then 3, 4, then you go to 5, and then 3, and then you press it together, you pluck it together, 3 and 0. Okay, so from E minor you go C, 0, 0, and then go back, descend to 2, and then 0 and 3. Okay, so let's do it like this. And then you pause. Then you pause and then do it again. So you're just gonna do it over and over again. Let's just say 4 times or 6. It's up to you actually. And then if you're satisfied, you can go to the next part, which is call upon the name of the Lord. Okay, now that we're done with the first part of the bridge, we're going to the second part, which is call upon the name of the Lord and be saved. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you use that space for the fillers. Okay, I'm giving you one filler, just one filler today, because I don't remember what I did there on that video. And 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Alright, you get that? Now what we're doing there basically is to pluck it this way, our G. Now if you have watched the first part of this video, which is on the description below, I already taught you how to play it like this, right? Each string will be plucked by a finger. For your thumb, we're plucking G, and then C for your point finger. Middle finger is having E, and then ring finger is having A. So it goes like, okay? Now there's an alternative. If you can't do that yet, you just need to do it that way, the thumb all the way through the strings, okay? But it just doesn't sound the same to me, so you better learn the skill, because you will use it for many types of finger styles on ukulele or even in guitar. Okay, so you go like that, and then after that G, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then hammer of this A string, 0 and 2, then 0, and then go to 3. Okay, it goes like, and then jump to D. As for D, you have an option, just pluck these 2 string or 3 of them all together. This one, and this one all together. So again, from the top, hammer. Okay, and then you also hammer right here the same note, A string, and just hammer it to 2. Okay, so it goes, then okay, so from D you go hammer, open, and then open string of this string, A string, I mean E string, and then you go 3. That's your C. Okay, so you're having here 0 and 3. 0, and then that's when you put the fillers. Okay, so as for the fillers, we go from 3 to 5, and then we have here 2, so it goes like slide it from 3 to 5, and then 3 to 5 again, but this time you go to 3, and then 5 to 7. Okay, so it sounds like this. Before you start it again, let me show you the entire part. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are more if you have the knowledge of, the major scale, but that's all I can give you. 3 to 5, and then 2, 3 to 5, and then 3, and then 5 to 7, and then 5. So you can actually do your own, licks or fillers. That's how we call it. Okay, one more tip before I go. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, just so this video can reach more people. Thank you. You need to be aware that I play that song using 70 BPM. So I was actually having a metronome in my ear while playing that song. And that's one reason why I don't remember everything that I play. I just know the licks that I may do, and then I just feel it in to the music.